Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Riley back with another video. It feels quite weird to do this because I haven't done it in a long time.
They say she get it from her mama. I'ma say you fucking right. Body look is like don't be in the humble type. Tell me, is you down? Cause I'm trying to go work tonight. Hoes and hoochies left and right. I just wanna fit in a fantasy.
Hey, how y'all doing?
So what are we doing in today's video, guys? It feels so weird to do this. So basically today, mainly what I'll be doing today is cleaning up my closet, going to get some clothes from the tailor, in addition to journaling, basically doing a little Sunday reset, finding out how I want my week to go, what are my plans for the week, and then planning for the next day, etc, etc, etc.
Yeah, wow.
You know you my baby, you know you my twin. If they disrespect me, then it's coming to an end. If them niggas play with me, we know that you don't stand. Baby, if only you knew how much I do love you, how much I do trust you. I pray these hearts don't make me have to prove it. I love of my life, I dedicate it all to you. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me really good feeling all day long. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling.
Yes, I wanna make it. I'm $1 million baby. Yes, I wanna make it. I'm $1 million baby. This Chicago club shit. Say you want passion, I think you found it. Get ready for action, don't be astounded. We switching positions, you feel surrounded. Tell me where you want your kid, girl. Girl, you know I've been feeling, even a late night dreaming about your love. Girl, you know I don't need candles and heat, just need your body to make.
Yeah, but I'm on my way out now, going to get my clothes from the tailor. I forgot the money. I'm gonna take the money, go withdraw the rest of the money from the local store and go to get my things from the tailor. Okay, y'all. So I'm literally on the way to the place whereby I want to like flip and withdraw money so I can go get my clothes tailored. And I don't think I want to go there anymore because like a car just passed of dudes. Obviously it's turning back. It's not screaming like, you know, they might abduct me or anything. It's just screaming lustful, want to get your numbers, and I'm not about that. I'm just gonna walk past. Okay, let's just talk about my pet peeves for a second. The lighting is bad, but you guys are gonna have to forgive me because we're parts. Anyway, so I'm on my way back, right? And guys, I don't like people with cars. I don't like people. Okay, let me not say I don't like people with cars. I don't like people who approach me with cars because you see me with my two little C's, my two little 5'2" self walking, and then on the car, like, do you think my parents do this? No. Nothing frustrates me more than that because I'm enjoying my walk. Mind you, I love taking walks. So let me take my walk alone. if I had the option to, I would have asked my father, hey, please drop me off to this place. But because I like taking walks, I genuinely love taking walks, I'm not gonna do that. Plus, that's unnecessary petrol. So now, if you come to me, sure, this lighting is so bad. But anyway, if you come to me and you're like, oh, let me give you a ride, let me take you home. Oh, like, so you want to take my numbers? Let me take your numbers. Like, these are literally one of the few reasons as to why I don't go out of the house. I don't leave the house, because as soon as I leave the house, man, it's a whole problem, it's a whole predicament. And I'm just like, I can't be living that type of life, you know? Yo, but anyway, I got my package. I got the things that I need to get. I tried on the skirts and it fits, because that was the main thing that I was pretty cute about. Because I could get a distance, say black, and now I do. So woohoo! If flippin' do strikes third person up, and sure, see this time I didn't have energy. I just gave the person my numbers because I know that my communication skills is not good. I deleted app. For those who don't know, I deleted WhatsApp, I deleted Instagram, so there's no way. And I don't answer my calls like that. So unless you're my mom, unless you're my best friends, unless you're my closest friends, I'm not gonna answer your call. So it was just for vibes. It was just for vibes, because we don't phone your back. You get, you know what? Yeah. Next time I leave the house, I'm gonna tie my hair up so that my ear can show. Right. Because you see, I have like unequal ears because of my operation. Next time I leave the house, yeah. Okay, guys, I'm back home. As you can see, the jeans are just jeaning over there. The tights are just tightening over there. The skirt is just getting. I just tried on the skirt and the tights because they're the main thing that didn't really fit me. The tights, it didn't really do much, but then it's alright. They fit, you know, and they fit a bit better than how they were before. So I'm not even gonna front him. I'm not even gonna hold him now. No. The skirt fits perfectly. The skirt was the main thing that I genuinely really cared about, which is the reason as to why I even went to the sale in the first place. The other things were just sitting around. They're just sitting around. So yeah, a few of my items are cool. It's hot, guys. The other jeans belong to my mom, and yeah, that is it so far. For now, I'm gonna eat. Do you guys wanna eat with me?
You don't know what. I don't want another pretty face. I don't want just anyone to hold. I don't want my love to go to waste. I want you and you're beautiful. So you're the one I wanna chase. You're the one I want to hold. I won't let another minute go to waste. I want you and you're beautiful. So
I saw you walking down on Melrose. You look like an angel straight out of heaven, girl. I was blown away by your sexiness. Now all I have to do is catch up to you. Slow down, I just wanna get to know you. But don't turn around, 'cause that pretty round thing was good to me. Slow down, never seen anything so lovely. Now turn around and bless me with your beauty, cutie.
Yeah, I don't know if you could take it. No, you wanna see me naked. I wanna be a baby. Spinning in his red just like he came from Maytag. Rocket with it on the brown. Like, when I get like this, I can't be around you. I'm too little to dim down a notch. 'Cause I can into things that I'm gon' do. Wow, wow, wow. Wow, 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 thoughts. Wow, wow, wow. When I'm with you, all I get is wild thoughts. Wow, wow, wow. When I'm with you, all I get is wild thoughts.
Let's go! Ladies up in here tonight. No fighting. We got the refugees.
Well, I just realized that I read the Bible as well as journaled and told you guys, literally spewing my heart out about this whole femicide and how it's making me feel and how I've overconsumed it, and I feel like I need to go back to my social media break. Literally said all of that just to realize that it was taken with a selfie camera and not with a back camera. So sorry that there are no aesthetic images or videos for you guys in that aspect. One needs to learn, one needs to get out of their comfort zone and do what they gotta do. So this is me, gorgeous girl. I'm gonna obviously work this off. But yeah, this is me, this gorgeous girl signing out for today's vlog. And I will see you guys when I see you guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, sign the petition, share the link, and do what you gotta do. And I'll see you when I see you.